Hello friends and fellow hype beasts, happy Monday. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I hope you're ready for a little bit of a history lesson. It's not a long one, don't worry. But in today's video we are going to be talking about the Off-White 2.0 belt. But before we get into the 2.0 belt, we need to talk about the OG belt. So the original Off-White industrial belt was released in this yellow colorway back in the autumn-winter 2016 Fashion Week. And it kind of took the fashion world by storm. Because before this point, you bought belts that were the right size for you. And after this point, you bought belts that are 2 meters long that you can wrap around your body 7 times. So Virgil really made a big impact on an accessory that really had not changed in hundreds of years. But this belt kind of became a staple in fashion. You saw it at every fashion week. But this belt has been out for almost 5 years now. But last year, actually, Virgil released the Off-White Industrial 2.0 belt. Kind of a update on his original design. And that's what we're going to be reviewing for you today. Alright, so I did purchase both of these belts on the Essence sale. And if you want the links to either of them, they will be down in the description below. As far as the packaging goes, it's the same as any other Off-White product, any of the other industrial belts. It comes in the Off-White official product bag. And we have 2 colorways to review for you today. 2 colorways of the 2.0 belt. We have this red and white version of the belt, and then we have this tonal black version that has an iridescent buckle. There's some nice little details on the buckle itself. It has a picture of a glove, a guy wearing, I don't even know, it looks like balaclava and some earmuffs, and very relevant right now, a face mask. This belt buckle seems way more intense than the ones that was on the original belts, but it's cool. It looks even more industrialized in my opinion than the original industrial belt. So I think that's pretty dope. As far as sizing goes, the 2.0 belt is slightly wider than the 1.0, not by much. So it should still fit through your standard belt buckle. And as far as the length goes, obviously I can't really get this all in one shot, but just pull it up. They are the same length, both 2 meters long. So really the only difference is everything actually. It is a completely new and redesigned belt compared to the original, but it still has that same essence. The crazy oversized industrial, like worn down kind of a look. That's what made this belt so popular, and that's what they did so well once again in the 2.0 belt. But that's enough just talking about the belts. I'm going to throw some outfits together and show you how I would style both of these belts. But before we do that, if you're enjoying today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. That's the best way for me to know that you're enjoying this video and that you support this channel, and I do really appreciate each and every single one of you. But let's cut to the outfits.